that my friend. Is he at home? You're millionaire.
No, okay. I saw him drive out. It's not up to 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, sir.
Hi. Hi.
Should I open it?
Open it now. Hi.
This one you are worried. Anything the matter?
No, no problem. You won't understand now. You won't understand.
What is happening this time around? Because you know, I'm very, very sorry about the other day.
You mean yesterday?
Yes, no. Your children trying to beat you. It's too bad.
You know, that is why in this world, it is always good to listen first before you take action.
Yes.
Those my children, they are good though. They are good children. So that when I told them that I didn't have any money at home, then all of a sudden they saw me drinking 3 bottles. You see?
It's because I didn't mean that they listened to you that time.
You saw when I was trying to tell them that they should wait, that I will explain. Yes. But because of the anger, because I've not paid their school fees now.
I understand.
That's why they just beat me from here. Later on, young millionaire came home. He gave me that money for their...
That day?
That yesterday.
Like seriously, child.
Even as they were beating me.
Hi, you see, I told you that man is a nice man. Oh.
I've paid for their school fees now.
Thank God. At least you will have rest now.
Rest for this world.
Now because you have paid for that school fees.
So you mean as I've paid school fees now I can rest? Madam, that's why I say you won't understand. Problem they finish for this world. Problem no they finish.
They are fighting you because you have not paid their school fees.
You mean that now that I've paid their school fees, my problem is finished? As I don't solve this one now, at least 20 more still they wait for me. You know?
But what about your wife? I hope at least she's doing something, right?
She has been helping, but she's tired of helping now.
At least she'll be helping you at the same time now. So,
Madam, you should say, I don't know how long when Millionaire will stay now.
But did he know you will come here?
He didn't know.
That is it.
He didn't know.
It's all.
Madam, I don't think, at least let me go and see somebody. If I stay here now, waiting, I don't know the time he will be coming back. And I don't have my phone again to call him. I don't know whether he's coming back now. So let me go and come back. I'll come back in the evening. I'll come back in the evening.
Okay.
For my drink, if he comes, he will pay now.
Okay.
Even if he doesn't pay, if I come back in the evening, I'll pay.
It's okay, I know you will. No problem.
Sir, this is the man I will tell you about. The man I've been suffering. What I got confess. Understand? I've suffered. So I brought him so that you can help us. You have been helping so many people.
Okay. Thank you very much. I hope if you can help me, I'll be very, very grateful. Because as you see me so, I don't suffer no be small. I don't suffer for this world. And because of money. Because of money.
It's okay. I have some clients in my shrine. Okay? So let me attend to them. In a few minutes time, I'll get back to you.
Okay, sir. Okay. But, sir, where are we going to now? At least, you should tell me so that I will know where we're going to.
Say you should relax. He that brought you to me knows why he brought you to me. So relax.
But Butu, calm down. I know. Butu.
Relax. Alright? As I told you, see this house?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a big house.
This man came to me when he was nobody. Right? He was just ordinary Okada man. Before a few years, he has this mansion like this in Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt. So what are you talking about? We are talking about billions here. That young handsome man thinking, you have what you have, get what you want.
So what do I do now? So what do I do to get something like this?
My friend, get inside the car. Okay? Get inside the car.
Okay, if you say so, I'll enter. I'll get inside the car.
It's inside.
I'll get inside the car.
The young millionaire.
Madam opened it herself.
Good evening.
Good day.
Did you see your friend?
Which of my friends?
The man that you came with yesterday.
Okay.
That you asked me to give drinks.
You mean Ogade?
Yes.
Oh, did he come here?
He came here today, yes. He's worried. He was looking for you, and I now told him that you went out.
I see.
That he wasn't around.
Oh.
He took one bottle of life.
Did he pay you?
No. He said that you will pay me.
No problem. How much is it?
250.
Okay. Take.
Thank you very much.
You can keep the change.
Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay now.
Yeah. You've seen it all.
I don't see him now. I don't see the house, the big building. But how you go take help me now? Huh? This is my condition, self. It don't tire me. It don't tire me. How you go take help me now?
The ball is in your court. In everything in this life, there must be a price to pay. Okay?
Price?
Yes.
So what is the price now?
The price is not much more than 500,000 can solve the problem. For us to buy the equipment.
500,000?
Yes.
500,000. So. Hey! Oh God. To get money no day easy. Okay, if I have that 500,000 naira, I'm not even come to you now. Yeah? If I have even 100,000 self, if I have even 50,000 naira, I go find something where I go do now. If I have 500,000, I go buy Keke now. They ride them. I don't have money. That's my problem.
Now, how many kids do you have?
Just four girls.
You have 4 daughters.
Yes, sir.
Your problem is already solved.
You know them?
Yes.
You know them?
Your problem is solved.
God.
Yes.
So how we take do them now?
Oh man. All you need to do is to sacrifice one of them to take care of the remaining 3. Now you use her, you train the other ones, you make yourself, you become what you ever want to become, and your lovely wife, and your business, and other things.
Okay. This guy not explain this thing to me very well, eh? This thing, now this it's something why I go. Now this I go sleep over this issue now. It's not something you go just wake up and decide, because you not tell me everything like this. You just say because of my condition, make you take me to somebody who will help me because of my condition. Eh? So just give me time, make I think over it. Eh?
Okay. He brought you to the right place, so you better think fast.
Okay, now that's it. Let me think about it. I'll get back to you, sir.
Better do.
Thank you, sir.
Better do.
Okay. So you brought me to somebody who wants me to sacrifice my daughter to make money.
It's for your own good. It's for your own good.
My own good? My daughter's...
I feel like they like it.
You want to sacrifice my daughter? If it is you, will you sacrifice your own daughter?
Don't try to bring me to such a place again. How do you expect me to sacrifice my daughter to make money?
You like laugh.
Go. Don't near me again.
Okpoko!
See, Papa, look at the chief.
Now your house I go now. Eh? Your wife say you never come back from work.
Oh God, now God do am o. I know they look person's face. I dey for office work, oh God.
Office work? Where your keke now?
Keke? You dey look for keke? You don't know people? You don't collect them back.
Which people?
My master now. Just 3 months remaining before I get that problem. I tell you that time, you don't collect the keke.
Keke when you ride for a year, 6 months, the man collect.
They look people face now. I know they look people face, Oga. But I tell you now.
So what thing you do now? So where you come from now?
From my office work, Oga. Office work. Now God they do am.
Office work.
They collect my own money.
See, Okpoko, see you. I beg, try help me. If I tell you the kind of problem why they inside now, wait to see me so it don't pass problem self. Collect me for that office work. Why I see you I go they get small money. Even if now one day I go get 200, 500, 1,000, I'm okay. Just connect me now. I'll be your friend though.
This thing where they tell me now, you go fit do the work. You dey serious?
I dey serious now. See, if you see the kind of problem why I get now, nothing why I don't fit do. Only say I no fit kill, I no fit kill. But you know nothing where I go do to suffer, to make money, I go do am.
May no come my office, come cast you, cast anybody. Oh. I think it's they see me. I think they see me.
Okay, sir.
So, listen, where you do the joke?
Can't expect cover your face.
Now God, now God. See all these rich men where we they go they beg 1 night, 2 night. They will give you 1 kobo.
Oh, fix me now.
No wahala. See, tomorrow morning by 6:30, carry extra cloth. And see me now, officer they come back. My bucket don't full. See my bag.
Na money full am.
You no go understand. When you come our office, mind your business, do the business, you get the money.
Okay. By 6 o'clock in the morning, I go there your house.
The young millionaire.
Madam Dimara.
Hi, good afternoon.
Madam Dimara.
Welcome. Hi.
How are you?
Thank God.
Did my friend come here again?
No, he didn't come again. Anything the matter?
No, I have been calling his line. But switched off.
That time that he came here, he was telling me that he can't get you. That is why he was waiting for you that morning. But do you know his house?
Yes, I do. But I can't go there now. I don't have that kind of time.
No. Try and go to his house and see him. At least you find out whether he has a problem or he's your friend, remember.
This is not live here now. This is not live here. At least make I sleep here. I no fit go home. If I go home, Amanda and her mother with her sisters, they will kill me. Even if they don't kill me, landlord will come in the morning. As he said, he will come with thugs. And he can do anything what he like. I cannot even go back to young billionaire because I will take tell and say the 500,000 will he give me just today, this morning. Say I'm robbers, don't collect them from me. Make I sleep here. In the morning I'll go meet to Poco. Like we said, he go take me to the office. From there I go hustle, get money. Then before I come back home. I come back home, I carry the money where I hustle from. Clear my debts, pay for my landlord, pay for my children's everything. Everything, money go there. Happiness go there for my house. Make I sleep here. I know some person don't live here. I can sleep.
Make I come out my clothes. Make you know that. Because I go carry and go office. I go carry and go office tomorrow with Chopoko. It's my condition. It's my condition. Oh God, now let you sabi why the thing happened to me. I know say I be sinner, but give mercy for me, God. I know say I dey sin against you, God. But mercy for me now. See as my pikin dey suffer. God, make you mercy for me now. God, make you mercy for me. As I pray for you, so make you mercy for me. Forgive me all the sin why they commit. Just mercy for me. In Jesus' name, amen. They don't let me break. Hey, Opoko, don't leave me. Opoko, leave me. Go office. Hey, Opoko, leave me. Go office. Hey.
Miss you. Madam, good morning.
Morning. How are you, my son?
I'm fine.
It's like I know this face. Your face is very familiar.
I'm Ogadima's friend now.
Okay. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you. Is your husband around?
Oh, he went out since yesterday morning. I have not seen him.
I expected him yesterday, but I didn't see him. And I was calling his lines, but not reachable.
I don't know where he went to. I don't know.
So, when you run your matter, make the day tight.
Chief.
Chief. Baba. Chief. Baba. Baba. Chief.
Attention.
My chief.
I can see you guys are having good time here.
Yes, chief.
Yeah.
The deal is done.
The native doctor is done with the girl.
Go to his place and dispose of the girl. I hope you got the alerts.
Sure.
Chief.
Remember, this is the first contract I'm giving you. Don't mess me up.
Chief, you should know me now. Attention, know the disappoint. Me and my boss, what did they happen?
I did tell you.
Now we they run this town. Chief.
No, nah, this is my friend. Now, anytime you say make I wait here.
This and then, my friend. Anti-side, my friend.
Sorry now, sorry.
Bushman. book there. I don't show. They walk. Hello, hey. No, we don't come walk. Mike, go come. My friend. My man, we don't reach you. We don't do office.
Okay. Now what is this now?
Office.
You tell me say they go office. Say they work for office. And you go carry me go office. You don't carry me come for bottle bushing.
We do office, no Siam. We don't work now. You don't see guys.
You don't work.
You don't
carry me come for bottle bushing.
You don't come.
What now?
You don't reach office. See? I know come through for here. What they tell you? Now business we dey here. Now money. What do we find come here now money? Before everything in my pocket go full. Come talk say office of your. This place na office. Understand? See my guys, all of them dey hustle. You won't come here, come they waste my time.
Okay, which can't be this now? Which can't be? You at least if you tell me the truth now. If you tell me the truth, say now. But which kind of truth? You know the office. So that I could prepare myself, prepare my mind, prepare my soul, prepare my head. Your man won't work for office, Abi. Where your certificate? Same trouser, idiot. Because this canteen, I don't like this canteen, no. Why they do this canteen now?
You go like to go and beg people when they give you money. Hold on.
But what did you tell me yesterday? Calm down, what's wrong?
Beg him. This man na my man. Okay, carry your man come for here now. Man, no face now. Now my friend, I won't help him.
You won't do it.
I won't help him. Now me join up to do.
You won't help him. See person won't help another person. You never help yourself finish. You won't help person. Your village, none of you get money. Go barrel pusher. All these people they sell rubbish.
Okay, your own village get money. You can't do same job.
You get money now. I saw go one time. Now me want do the business.
Okay,
I get money now.
Go one make it.
Come on for here, Boki.
You don't like.
Check that motor. Check that motor. Okpoko. This is what you do now. I don't like camo. I don't like camo. Calm down. You see, everybody for this time they praise. All this go down in this village. This is what you do, man. I don't like cam. I don't like cam. If not because of this my condition.
You don't make me understand. Come here.
I don't blame you. Now my condition and they blame. Teenagers will carry from village, enter township. You tell us say they work for office. Welcome to office. Welcome. See office work. See your office here. See your office work.
We need a hustle. Where is Ogari?
Sir, he's not around.
Where did he go to?
He has not come back since yesterday. That was what my auntie told me, the wife.
And where is your auntie?
My auntie, she went to the market. She have not come back yet.
Anyway, I've not been seeing him yet. Where?
Sir, I'm the younger sister to Brother Ogadi.
If Ogadi comes back, tell him that I said he should pack out. He should leave my house. I don't want any excuses again. He should leave my house. You understand me? I am coming back with talk, so I am coming back. There will be no mercy. Tell him to pack out, oh. Enough is enough, oh. I am coming back with talk, so. What do you want now?
If you dare sit here, I'll show you that I'm a healthy carrier.
Come here, like this. Come here. What's happening? Just to come today. Come, not right. So, you can't that in the letter of the union. You don't do now. Come now, but what is happening? What do you want to do? See ya. Make una come down, settle. I beg you now. You.
Chief, so you didn't tell us that this is what you want to use that girl to do.
Which girl are you talking about?
You're asking me which girl? The last girl that we brought to you.
And so?
And
what about her?
The news is everywhere. Her body was found at the edge of the village. Then you used her for ritual. And you're asking me what about her as if you don't know.
Chief, you should have told us. What if they trace her to us?
Nikki, don't worry. Rosie, don't worry. This is my business. I'll handle it very well on my own way. You don't need to be afraid. Meanwhile, come to my office tomorrow morning so that I will give you a check that will put a smile on these your ugly faces.
Also come to your office. I'm not coming to your office. If you know anything you want to give to us, give it to us.
Now, not tomorrow.
Yes, we'll come to you.
Rosie, you know this is where you bad too.
Let me bad.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Are you okay now? Then give me a call tomorrow, okay?
See, my man, where they are now, I no get money. Making just they pay small. May you pay the money finish. I beg. I don't tell say everybody they register. So may you register, may you follow the work. I beg.
You carry this idiot for village and that she may come fight me for my own back.
Oga,
If no be one thing, I will kill this man today. I swear. Just make it fun. You know me now. You know.
See what you cause. I come desperate when I see the fight. And you not tell me say you won't come here, come carry ball and enter.
I come, I don't see you now. What do you want to make I do? I say make I the hustle until when you come.
Wait till I provoke this man.
No. Wait. Jay, you know me very well. I don't like anything with them. Make me best. Because me as stammerer. And if I cause in fact you see today no. Calm down. I
beg you, man.
I just kill him. You
Kaka on your head.
This year,
you carry kaka pop. You see?
You carry this year poverty. Make you
Man, I know verse again. Okay, the thing when I fight me. Okay, see my body. You
know talk about your own. See, you don't start again. We don't take it to make wait, I beg, man, you know.
Man, I know verse again.
See,
in time is in don't time everything. Say when I the register. Say na 5,000 naira. But the problem is me I no get money.
I would phone. Go buy.
I don't get money. I don't say
when they join another one.
You don't tell me say when I get union now. Me I want time on a union or Baro push a union. But I don't get the money. Someone just help me. Tell me say when I help them. Saying they pay you 200 naira every day. Every day.
We just become a kaka. We are not a kaka.
I go to pay my. I agree.
See, if you know as you just help me, make me help my brother. Okay. See, just like that. Okay.
So what do you buy for us now?
I bought whatever thing I wish I could buy for you. Hey, whatever. Since I did not see your mom here, I wish to relate to you people the reason why I'm here. Yes. I heard what you guys did to my own brother. I heard you and your mother connived to beat up my own brother. That you beat your father to the extent that he so wished to hang himself. What are you girls up to? How does it stand? That is why I am here. Who was the person that pushed him inside the water? Who among you did that?
It's not me, oh. Amanda.
Are you not Amanda? Shut up your mouth.
I'm not the one, oh.
Will you shut up your mouth?
You are the one.
Amanda, you did. As little as you are.
She did.
So you've grown wings.
You see only me? Why are you calling my name now? Now you carry her for head now.
Your neighbor told me that my brother paid for your school fees.
You remember money for food? I've not even eaten.
Shut up your mouth.
You
remember money for
food.
You need to eat. You need to eat. So where is he now? I heard he has been away for close to a month.
It is true. We don't know his whereabouts.
He went out.
Did you see our papa? Oh, he went to hustle for money now.
Hustle what? Hustle what?
He's going to come back. Papa went out.
You caused it. You know fun though. You know you will go to school, but you guys cannot hustle. You can't contribute a dime. Now you've chased your father away.
He's not Amanda.
So where is he now?
Oh, no staff, auntie.
Now that he's away for up to a month, have you not been surviving?
Oh.
Have you not been feeding?
We are feeding, but still I'm not.
That is why you should have been managing while he was in the house. You would have continued that same way, managing that, throwing him out of the house. Now that he's away, do you know his whereabouts?
He went out. He's going to come back.
He's
going
to
make money now. He will come back.
Make money.
Why you pushing her?
Do you know his whereabouts? You shut up your mouth. You girls are due to go to a man's house and live.
Huh?
Yes, for marriage.
Auntie Ego.
For marriage.
That's why they're married.
You are grown.
What about our school now?
See, you are spoiling us. So.
School.
Was it not you, Amanda and Mama, that led me to this?
Hey!
Leave alone. I'll beat you when Auntie go.
Will you girls shut up your mouth?
Come back.
And you people did not even care. You didn't even care to ask your father's whereabouts? I would have loved to see your mother one-on-one. But since she's not around, tell her that she should make peace in her home. Else, I'll personally report her.
Hey!
To the Umuadas.
My mother?
And to the Kingsmen.
Auntie, I've not gotten to this now.
This is the reason why I
taking
came.
this level.
If you kill my brother with this, your sentiments and arrogance, if you kill my brother, my only brother I'm talking about, I'll not take it kindly with you people. I'm not going to take that kindly with you.
Okay, Madam, now here?
Yes.
Okay, this motor, they ride with that car. Hey. Okay.
Just get it down.
Yes. Hey, Madam, this is your small bag behavior.
Are you online?
Madam, I don't get phone. I don't get phone, Madam.
Serious?
Now this place where you see me, so now there be our office.
Which place?
This place now, that place where you see me. Where you see me, where you call me, I can carry load for you. Now that be our office.
How do I contact you? I mean,
anytime where you get loads or any job at all, you just come there, you go see me. Now that we dey hustle, and our office with that. Our office work with it.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. Hey, 200 Bali. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I know one hustle. Now they feel sleeping now. Leave me. When I walk, I go still walk. Man, I dey my body.
If you don't sleep, you money no go come. I don't tell you finish.
No walking. I say man, I dey my body. I dey feel sleepy. Balo. 20 naira, 15 naira. 100 naira, sir. 100 naira.
What are you?
This you? You're a millionaire.
What are you doing here?
You're a millionaire. What did I do you again now? What did I do you? Why you come find me come here again now? How you leave me make I suffer myself now?
What are you doing?
You don't understand though.
Look at you. Huh? What is happening?
You don't understand now. I tell you say you don't understand. Since when I tell you say you don't understand, you think say you understand. You don't understand though.
I thought I have.
Now crayfish now make condition bent. Now crayfish
solve your problem.
Now crayfish now make condition bent. I tell you say you don't understand. That time you think say you understand. But see him now, you don't understand.
You know I've been looking for you since.
That's why I tell you say you don't understand.
Anyway, I have something there.
Okay, you get loads. I go carry for you now. I go collect money. I go carry for you. What did they happen? You don't try for me.
You don't get work.
Now my friend, where I know him before. Now my friend.
Hey, we wait there the house. This man can't call you. Okay, in the sleep. Oh.
You say you get load now.
You said they are afraid of this. Come and carry something for me.
Make I carry load for him now. Now I don't get collect money from him. Now my oga be this. I'm not saying a small boy. Now you're millionaire be this.
Just it's just saying now your friend be this.
Now my friend, I know him before. He say you get loads. I don't collect money. I'm free. I go carry for him.
Okay. Wait, you just say this guy will fake this thing. Come on. Single step. No there for money. This guy not even get na akupa man. I don't think I finish.
Amanda.
Jessie.
One and only Amanda.
Jessie, how are you?
Now you they give us headache.
Are you back?
No, I'm going. Why are you coming back now?
From school now.
Hey, me too, I'm coming from school. Why are you coming back by this time?
Yeah, we dismissed earlier now because of our cultural rehearsals.
Okay. Cultural, ba?
Our cultural
Even
rehearsals.
me. Even this one too. They dismissed us earlier.
If you see dance today,
just me.
Hey, Tawa, if you see me, dance. Dance.
Hey, it's okay. Don't do. Before you close camp, we might show you my own. Hey, see Jessie. I don't do guy. Hey, I two shots your own. Hey, don't be smarting.
Wow. Yeah. See that foolish girl.
If I slap you and your sister, you call foolish. Hey, you know the dress.
What is wrong with you?
I was just dancing. Hi. You don't know how happy I am.
Where are you coming from?
The house, of course.
Talk true.
Yeah. That's what I want to say now.
Well, when you girls left for school, I was dressing too.
Yeah. It's obvious that you sneak out. I know what you can
say. Jessica, you too. I did not know what happened was that. Let me tell you.
Okay.
What happened was that we dismissed early today. They say we should go for rehearsal for that cultural dance.
Okay. Every school.
Hi. Oh, I can't wait.
Let's see your dancing step.
Teach us your own dancing step. Amanda showed us.
Hey. If you see the one that woman taught us yesterday, that one is be looking at my waist. So, hey, let's see if it is wine. It's like this.
I mean, hey! Wow!
Hello.
Henna.
All your people come out.
Everything now. Oh yeah, do it again now. Do it again.
Oh yeah, where you people are confused?
They're not confused. People want leg. You tell me people want leg.
What happens is that if I come back in Navy, I'll teach you to.
Yeah, go to rehearsal. But you don't teach us now.
Okay, let me just show you.
Oh yeah.
It's like this. You carry this leg up. Your waist must wine.
And something like that. Oh my God. Hey, see dancing.
See dancing. No, when let Choma show you. Choma show. Now you're on the nose. This cultural dance is going to be.
Why changing your face?
I'm not happy.
They flogged you?
No, they did not. You know our papa like this cultural stuff of a thing. And if he's absent, he's supposed to be there to witness me be the winner. I'm not happy.
Forget about that thing. Yeah? Hey, close your mouth.
Hey, Jessica. It's me that she's talking. And I know this girl was the reason why she and Mama, they were the reason why Papa left the house.
What?
It is all your fault. Now you curse her.
Why are you cursing me now? You're talking to like that.
Your other sister. Now we see that. You know what you're talking? Yes, that's what I'm talking to you. You go join Mama. You go join Mama. Give me alone. You go join Mama. Wait, our lovely Papa. If I slap you,
because money ran away from his heart.
It's your fault. Give me alone. You join Mama. You join Mama. If I slap you.
It's okay.
Why?
If I get you, I'll
You don't know what she did. Your father, your papa.
Come. Oh my God. I'm going to want somebody here. Come here. If I dare catch you,
you will not catch me. You don't know what I did. Peter said. Your father, look at them.
You were here even doing that.
Leave me alone. Look at them, frog eye, big head.
I said stop. What is wrong with you guys? It's like you guys are mad. Are you people mad? What do you mean by that?
You know this girl.
How will I know? No, you want me to know how from Ogbet Adina?
You don't know what this girl is.
Will you stop that rubbish? You want me to know how from Ogbet Adina? That is the reason why some of you are here beating her. What did she do?
That girl.
What did she do? I'm asking you. You're coming here to come and beat yourself. Not even her. Huh? What is wrong with you guys? What a nonsense!
What this girl have done? You don't know what this girl did.
Did you know that's what people are doing?
They are beating her.
Let me tell you something. Stop making that noise. You are not just a person. Why are you doing? Come, if I catch you. See this nonsense thing? I was thinking that people are here dancing.
Well, no, we're not only dancing, but we're dancing again.
Huh? From up there. I saw you from up there thinking that you guys are here dancing. I don't even know that you people are here fighting. Why? And you people don't even know. Because of the sweetness of what you guys are doing. That's why I have made up my mind. When I get closer, I will put my hand inside my wallet and dash you people money because you're dancing. And you are here making noise, fighting.
Wallet? Your wallet? Where is the wallet?
Are you blind?
I'm not in any wallet.
See my wallet.
Brother,
a lot of very inside this wallet.
Brother, which wallet?
Don't brother me.
Which wallet? When did the guy started using ladies' handbag for wallet? Brother, check yourself. Are you not sure pants and cosmetics are inside that bag?
You one plate things. Come. What are you saying? Are you not seeing?
I got see, not be wallet.
I can now
see
that something is wrong with you guys.
Hey!
With my wallet, you are talking about handbag. If I send you now. Nonsense. I'm going to wound any of you now. If I catch any of you, I'm going to wound that person.
What is it? I Calabar by force. But I give way. Give way, let me deal with this guy. You don't know this guy.
I should give you come. I said
let me not lose my temper for what I.
And you are there doing we were. What did you do?
Follow him and go.
What's wrong with you? In fact, because of that, I am not going to dash you any money again.
Don't dash.
I am not going to dash you any money. Who is that stranger?
You.
Who is that stranger?
You are the stranger.
Follow that brother.
I have plenty money inside my wallet, but I'm not going. Will you stop that rubbish?
I can see the wallet.
By the way, what did you do? Why did you do? Shut up! Not only ladies' pants, now ladies' slipper. You don't know that a lot of money inside this my wallet. Why are you here making noise? Are you a pussycat? Which side are you following? Is it down? Are you up? Which one are you following now? Are you straight?
This side.
This side? Can I escort you?
With that bag.
You didn't see him. Is it not my wallet? What do you mean? You are carrying your bag and I'm with my wallet. You want to face me?
I want to stay here.
You want to stay where? With this service song. Stop going home. You know that I'm not the one. I'm trying to separate you guys from fighting. Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up. Manage and go home. By the way,
leave me alone.
Oh, Nakwante. I want to separate you and you are trying to fight me, Abi. I can see that. It's like you did what they are telling me that you did while they started beating you. Stop doing that nonsense that you are here doing wing ho. Are you a tipper?
No.
Go home.
Don't touch me. Go.
Hey! Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Don't follow me.
What did I follow you? Why you are here using your mouth? Hey!
What happened again? I don't like seeing you this way. I don't like seeing you like this.
Yo, millionaire. You know, say that time, I did tell you, say, you don't understand.
But wait, I thought I have solved your problem. I gave you 500,000 to start up a business. What are you doing here?
Yo, millionaire. You know, say, like a fish, I make condition bend. This is my condition where you see me so. I don't accept and say I go drum.
But what happened to that money I gave you?
The thing will happen. If you see the thing will happen that day, from your house where they go, I carry that money, put for my trouser like this, make place no see them, and they walk for road. They walk. I can't jam 2 Okada people. I don't know say na armed robbers. But I suspect those. I suspect say I'm robbers. If you see the kind of cocoa where they carry,
Now go away, be say, go Boko Haram say they can't fight war.
This is serious.
Make I pass, I suspect, can't see them. Make I don't say, like say I want urinate. I don't say they don't see me. Now that they can't rush. Snatch that money from me. I can't look up, look down, look left, look right. I don't know what I will do. I come to that Maramoputi place. So I said, make I did there. Make I tell you what happened. I can't think say, I the Chris. That's the one give me 500,000 naira. No. I can't come back. But I say, they don't snatch her from me. So I say no. Say, make I come suffer my suffer. Make I not come disturb you again. You don't try. You don't try. Pay my school fees, my children's school fees. Don't give me 500,000 again. Don't be your fault. I say if that God cause her, make I suffer my suffer. Eh? See, make I suffer my suffer.
See, whether the devil like him or not, you must perish. Huh?
Amen.
Just enter the motor. Let's
go.
Just enter the motor. Let's go.
You the grace?
Enter the motor. Let's go.
Sorry. You look person like this. Since I enter motor with like this, what I did. Man, where this my battle uniform?
Wait.
Where enter your motor?
Yeah, PLS doesn't matter to me. Okay? Just enter motor. Let's go.
Why you do me like this now? You see person like this, they for office, they push barrel. So make I enter motor. Okay now, make I enter motor now.
No,
Good day. Sister, you get to know.
Good day, please, no. Please, I'm looking for one of your friends that stays here with you.
Okay. Oloy, I've been waiting. Okay, my friend.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't really know his name.
That one's or you get body small.
It's I don't know. Maybe let me just say has small.
You get white baby or that one kind of big one. I don't know.
Yes. But you know you're too much.
Yeah.
It could be Ogade. No Ogade, my friend. I know him. Okay. Even me and him there for the same area. I know him. But before they here, but one man can't carry and come out. But maybe he go come back. And even if he no come back, I go please see him.
Okay.
But if now walk, make you join me.
Please, if he comes back, please. This is my card. Please, if he comes back, tell him that call me with this line.
Okay.
It's my line here.
This is your number.
Yes, please. It's very urgent, please.
Okay. I go try my best. For area, I go search him. But if now walk, if you give him, maybe give me a small. Now if I'm the walk, we don't stay with him at the house of our thing.
No problem. I will do that. Just tell him to call me. It's very urgent, please. Please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, now, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Nah, this one carry abu. Hey!
This one. The young billionaire. If you see Okoko eye, the time when they see me, they see the way I dress like this.
But
nah, if you see the kind of surprise, we Okoko surprise, the time when they see me, their eye just dey come out like this. Hey! If you see their eye, they don't believe their eye say na me be this.
That is life.
Hey, young billionaire, you don't do something for me for this world. You don't try for me too much. I can just carry this my glass, cover my face like this. Come they walk out, come meet them. They don't know say na Ogade be this again. They don't know say na me.
Are you serious?
Hey, you need to see them. Hi.
Such is life, my brother. Such is life.
Only God will bless you.
You know, things fall apart for things to fall in. The only thing that is constant is change.
Not true.
And remember that downfall of a man is not the end of his life.
Don't be lying.
There is something I want to tell you now. I told you I'm going to change your condition.
Hey, that's what you say, and I trust you.
I must make you rich, whether the devil like it or not.
Amen.
See, I want to give you 1 million naira.
1 million naira?
1 million.
To do my business?
No. Just for pocket money.
Just for pocket money? Pocket money?
Yes. Use it, pay your children's school fees, your house rents, and so on and so forth.
Hey!
then I'm going to open a shop for you.
Huh?
And I will give you a container that worth 800 million.
800 million?
Yes.
800 million naira.
Let me see how you will become poor again.
I don't be rich now. I don't be rich. My name now is a rich man. I don't know how I will take thank you.
That is not all. I will give you one of my servants to stay with you to teach you how to trade, you know. If you do well, I'll give you as many as container you want. I will also give you a car.
Huh?
Yes.
A car?
Yes.
I don't know how I will take thank you.
Whether devil like it or not, you must be rich.
I don't do what you do. You did another one again. Now only God will thank you and bless you. Eh? Thank you very much. But you're millionaire. You know, see all this thing what you do for me. Eh? You don't do everything for me what I need. But you really want small thing what you do for me. I go there completely happy.
What is it again?
No verse, no verse. You don't say, you don't know why they tell you, say, you don't make money. You be young millionaire. You get everything what you want. But try for me now. Make you try marry now. As you don't make money. Now young boy you be, make you marry early. So that as you dey young like this, you go one pikin wey be say, you with am go be the same size. Eh? They go think say na your brother, they don't know say na your son. Abeg now.
Don't worry. I have been thinking about it.
Good.
I just made up my mind to get married. And there is one girl that I would like to show you. Tomorrow, as we are going to your place, we will go with her.
Hey! You don't do everything now. You don't do everything for me now.
Oh God.
No problem.
Take this for you. It's for you.
Eh? I never used this kind of food before. Now all those bottle food what they used before.
Use it and make calls. Call your friend. Tell them that things have changed.
Thank you very much. Hey, that reminds me. The time when I go meet Okoko, he give me this card. Say he gave one lady. Say he gave one lady we say make I call him. Lady where they carry load for him before. When they help me. Say I compliment. They can make I call him this number. Say he urgent. So the credit there.
Enough credit.
Make I call him a beg.
It's your phone. It's gone.
I beg help me. Unlock. I mean, the thing they write on.
Just do it this way. To unlock.
Okay. Hey. Good. Like say you the draw artist. Hey. Hey.
Oh God,
080 080 Odigoma.
Your name is no longer Ogadema. Your name now is Odigoma.
That's my name now. Odigoma. Now Odigoma be my name now. This phone they very loud though. They do ting. Hello? Madam, now that's your customer. Where that one where they carry load for barrel for you. For that our office, that junction with and I mean I just go our office now. Okpoko come give me your card. Say this number wait there for him, this number why they call now. Say na your number. Say you say make I call you, say they urgent. No, I know they push barrel again. You get one of my friends will come carry me from there. Say he won't help me. He don't help me already self. I don't feel push barrel again because God don't butter my bread. You won't see me? Leave him now next week because this my friend won't carry me go my house tomorrow. If I come back now maybe next week I go come see you. It's very urgent. Okay, make I tell my friend. I will come. No, I will come. Not before that junction. I will come. Yes, bye-bye. This my friend, he get the way they tell me, you know say this woman, I don't want to carry load for him. And they help me well with that time. No go with the carry 100 naira. If they give me 200, say make I leave the change. So he say he won't see me, say the thing they very urgent. So give me just a small chance. He never near here. I go see this woman. I go see her. Now my phone now. Where can I go? Madam, I hear you there. Beautiful madam. I hear you there. This one will come saying now urgent. It's an emergency. I left my friend that place. So.
Wow. You look good.
Oh, you give me my shirt.
So you're this handsome. I know it. I know you're handsome.
Now that my friend, why they tell you for phone? Say he carried me from that our office yesterday. Say won't help me. I didn't buy the shirt for me. Buy it because it's my shoe safe. Be like a Chinese shoe. That guy they try you. You're billionaire. I better person to be. My friends.
I know you're a handsome guy. I know it.
What up, me?
Yes.
Me will be a battle pusher before. Anyway, thank you. Hey, madam. This one way I call you for phone. You say you need me urgently. Say na emergency. What is gonna happen now?
There's something I want you to do. I just want to discuss something with you. You know, I was married, but my husband is late.
Yeah, sorry. Madam, sorry.
As I am talking to you right now, I may seem late. But I need a man in my life.
Any man can fall in love with you. You are a very handsome woman. See your beauty.
I know.
They can even fight over you.
Yes.
To fall in love with you. Besides, you get everything where you want. That Lexus, that motor where I see you that day where I can't load the enter for you. What be Lexus the car?
I have everything it takes to make a woman happy. But my happiness is not complete. I need a man in my life. A man that can be there for me. That can stay with me. That can make me happy. I need a man in my life. And I saw that man in you.
Yes. In me?
Yes.
What do you go see for battle pusher like me now? Battle pusher before like me now?
Yeah, I know. But you are the person I want. Please.
Madam, this is your hand. It's very smooth too, very soft and very. Hey.
Thank you. I need you in my life. Let's be together. Let's stay. I reason together. Please.
Madam, thank you very much. I thank you. The way they like me, but this can't not be the thing where person go just tell somebody, then you go decide immediately now. Make I sleep over it. Then like that my friend say you go carry me go my place tomorrow. If you go my place finish, come back. I go call you. I still have that your number, that your card. I get them. I will call you for phone. I give you my answer. Make I think over it.
Please think about it.
I will sleep over
Please.
it. I will sleep over it.
Think about it.
I'll call you.
Please. Let us be together and reason together. Let us be. Please.
Yes, it's me. It's me. It's me.
Papa! Daddy! Daddy! Hey, come on! Daddy, Daddy! Daddy, don't come back! What's the matter? Mommy! Amanda! Amanda! Silence! Amanda! Who is this? Daddy! Daddy! Mama!
Please, someone should help me from this dream. Please, someone should help me. I'm not free.
Let's go. Let's go. Yes. That's my name. You changed my name. From Ogadimma to Odigoruma.
The cow. Hey, sleep, baby.
Amanda, what are you doing? Amanda.
Yes, Dad.
What is it?
Somebody's inside the car.
Yes, of course. It's young millionaire's fiancé.
Wow.
His wife to be.
Yeah. Can I see her?
Of course. Let me introduce her to you.
Who is she?
Jovita. Let me introduce you to my daughter. What is it?
Hey!
What is it?
Hey! Daddy! Amanda!
What is it?
What? Hey! You! Daddy! What is she? Hey! Hey! Daddy!
What is it now?
What is she doing here? Calm down. Where is she, Daddy?
I told you she's young millionaire's fiancé.
I know! She's the one that I told you I wanted to introduce me to. I show up business. Oh, Daddy, she don't know. What is she doing here now? Hey! Akuna! What is she doing here? Rosie! Okay, What is it? Hey, look at that girl that wanted to introduce me to a shower business. Rosie!
What is it?
Wanted to introduce me to a shower business. Shower, you told me what's that her name? Rosie. You here? No, let her leave. Come and leave.
Please.
This is what happened.
Baby, I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yes, I'm sorry, please. I never knew it would come out this way. I never knew that Chief was a ritualist. Sorry. I did it out of ignorance. I'm so sorry. I promise. I'll never go back to it again, I promise. Please have mercy. Forgive me, baby.
You see, Chief? I'm going to get Chief arrested.
Chief? Baby, Chief is very powerful. And not only that, he's well connected.
Connected?
Yes, you cannot do anything to Chief.
Connected? Do you know how connected I am?
Baby, Chief is a ritualist. He's a ritualist. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I have the number of the president, even the IG of police. The last time they seized my container, I called the president direct and he ordered them to leave my containers. That I don't deal on contraband. Governments or chaps, which one is more powerful? Anyway, that's by the way. And for you, our marriage is on hold.
Hey, baby, please
Silver.
forgive me. Baby, please don't do this to me.
Get your hands off
Baby,
me.
please don't do this to me. Baby, please, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this to me. I did it out of ignorance. Baby, I promise I'll not do it again. Please don't do this to me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Yes, son.
You see you girls? See you girls? See your life? You girls don't think about the consequences of your actions. You don't think about the consequences of your actions. You only live for the present, for the fun you are catching, for the joy you are getting from the present. You don't ever think about what your actions might bring in the future. Begin to think about tomorrow. Begin to think about what your actions might bring in the future. See what you did to yourself.
Please forgive me.
See what you did.
Baby, please don't do this to me.
Let me learn. It's okay, it's okay. Be a man. Be a man.